What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing my new parts came in, new headlights came in for my truck. And these are, I believe these are the smoked headlights. So I'm going to be showing you guys this today into this video. I can't get them installed because it is a rainy day once again in Pennsylvania. So, but hopefully this week, later on this week, hopefully I should be able to. But I want to be able to show you guys once it stopped raining, because right now it's kind of like pouring outside. So once the rain stops, I'll be able to show you guys pretty much. If you've seen my last upload about my core air intake that I installed, I didn't really get a chance to do like a full walk around, show you guys how it looked. I mean, I did, but it was kind of like in the dark, so you know, it's bright outside now, so I'll be able to show you guys just a little quick thing, even though I know this video is not about it. But I got my parts came in, and then also my there's another parts came in. I have my lowering springs came in. So but today I'm gonna be able to show you guys my headlights. I'm gonna be unboxing my new headlights for my truck, and they definitely look way better than the ones that's on here now. Even though the stock ones on here, don't get me wrong, they look badass, but just the clear ones. And these ones I got, the actual, like, they really match the truck. So definitely gonna keep my old ones. I'll probably try to sell them, but I'm gonna be showing you guys this in a little bit, so hang on. All right, y'all, like I promised, just got home a couple hours ago. So I'm about to show you guys what's in the box. So obviously, first thing first, I gotta flip the box. So these are my headlights that's in here that I ordered. So I'm about to be showing you guys, these are smoke LED, well, not LED, but smoke headlights. So I'm about to show you guys this right now. Give me 1 second. Gotta cross out, remove my address from on here. Can't be showing that. All right, y'all, this is it. Open up that box. Dang, these suckers look crazy. It's crazy. Look it up. I'm about to take one out. Got one hand, so. Let me show you right now. This is upside down. Let's flip it around. Dang, this look crazy. Look at this bad boy. Dang. These are black smoked or black headlights. These ish look fire. I ain't gonna lie. Definitely look fire. Got the switchbacks too. I mean, it's the same as the OEM, but these are just, the only difference is this is just like black. That's like the difference. I'm gonna try to peel this off so you guys can see. Dang, these should look sick, yo. This looks sick, I ain't gonna lie. This looks sick. It's kind of hard for you guys to be able to tell though, but this is actually like black. They only look clear because obviously it's on camera, and then also I have my my phone flashlight is on while I'm recording. So I'm trying to see if I can give you guys a closer look to see how kind of like smoked out. But this is look killer. Man, I can't wait to put these on. Now this should be easy, a quick easy step to do. Then I'm gonna probably install these and then probably wait for the bulb to come in, or I could just keep them in the box yet and then wait for my new LED or HID bulbs to come in, because obviously the ones that's in the truck is yellow. Those are the yellow lights that come stock, so I'm gonna get the real bright ones that I have. Same thing on my fog lights. I'm gonna get the real bright white lights and put them on the same time I'm putting these on. You know, I might as well, because I'm gonna have to take them off again. So, or if I don't have patience, I'm just say F it, put these on, because these joints is fire. Let me try to show y'all, man. Like, this thing look killer, yo. Dang, this thing look bad. Hell yeah, definitely look bad. Well, yeah, guys, I'm just doing a quick little review. That's definitely gonna be it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.